All right, so this is another example of custom code JS inside the GoHighLevel. So as like in the pipeline section, we have an opportunities and we have a basically job scope data that is the second tab basically, right? So if you want to update the data of any opportunity, specifically the job scope data, you have to click on opportunity, come to this pop-up and click this job info, and then you can just update that, right? So what I does is basically I just injected this button, and when you select any opportunity, now what the code is doing, it basically detected which opportunity is selected. And when you select an opportunity and just click on this button, what it will does is it will fetch the all the information about that opportunity, like its name, company name, and all the custom fields data, right? And the interesting thing is some of the fields are pre-filled. Now we are using the GHL APIs that get the actual data from the GHL and pre-fills the fields that are already there, right? So this is the magic of GHL APIs, right? And you can just basically update, and as you can see basically we are detecting it says one unsaved change because we just changed this field, right? And you can just change any other field and it says two unsaved changes, right? If I click on it, it will basically update the data in the GHL as well because we are using the GHL APIs, right? If I just go to that native job scope section and see if the data is updated or not, as you can see, the data is updated. We just change that field and we also check this, right? So now the data is basically completely synchronized, right? This is the custom based example. And one more thing is I'm going to implement in the future is we have these two types of fields, sales fields and the admin fields. Now, in the next step, I am going to show the fields conditionally. What does this mean is if the currently logged in user is some normal person, salesperson, we just show them number of fields that they should see and fill, right? And if the currently logged in user is admin, we will show all the fields, right? This is basically the conditional rendering to make sure if your staff is working on some opportunity or filling out the data, the salesperson will only be able to fill up the fields that are relevant to them, not just any admin field, right? This is a quick example of custom JS code injection inside the GoHighLevel. You can inject the UI, you can use the GHL APIs to change and mutate and update the data of the GoHighLevel, and it really sync with the GoHighLevel data very well, right?